Boy, that sure was a rough game, guys.
Boy, you said it, Popo. I am wiped out.
Yeah, but we still won, huh?
Yes, but something still didn't seem right.
They won't go easy on us in round 3 either. We need a plan.
Yes, but Liu,
My sister.
And now he's complete.
Wow, awesome!
This little guy will fetch me what I need and when I need them. Ready? Mr. Suitcase? Power drill. Come on, what's wrong? I said power drill. Come on already. I said power drill.
Liu, are you okay? We, can't think of a plan without your help.
Yeah, you know when you ramble on and go overboard. Right now, you're,
Liu, is your sister really a DV7? I didn't expect that. Wow, scary, huh? But didn't you say that your sister died?
My sister is dead. That day.
John! Sister! Where are you, Sean? It's Suzuki! What happened to Sean? My sister? Sean!
Oh, that is so unfortunate.
So that's why you took her place.
Oh.
Explain how this could have happened.
I think it had to do with her brother, but I'm not exactly sure.
Not sure, are you? That's not helpful.
Maybe we shouldn't leave Leo all by himself? What should we do?
Sure we can. Liu isn't a bad... Oh, what I meant is that in times like these, it's best to be left alone. Right, guys?
That's right. Liu thought for so long that his sister had died, but she didn't. That's terribly sad. None of us will get through to Liu now.
There was a red gas. When Charming Gold controlled me, I remember a red gas.
So wait, I wonder, does that mean Liu's sister and the DV7s are...
Like the red-eyed monster. I figured out who he is. Makan.
Huh?
Master Makan. Ooh, Master Makan! I know him!
I can't say for sure yet, but is it possible that Liu's sister and Makan were also victims of that red gas?
I'm not sure. Makan went missing for a long time. Master Makan was the Bars tribe's greatest warrior, but he often clashed with the elders, so they banished him from their land. alone in the forest, Makan honed his skills. One day, there was a huge explosion in the forest. That was the last anyone had ever seen of Master Makan. All that was left of him was some red smoke and an imprint of his paw on the side of a cliff.
Yes, the red smoke. Maybe Koopa Man is Master
So the
Makan.
Bug Tribe's greatest inventor and the Bar Tribe's greatest warrior were kidnapped and turned into DV7s, and they can't find their way back. That means Charming Gold has full control over the Soul Tree, so that's why he's using the DV7 team.
He knew who would win. It was up to Charming Gold the whole time.
You're right. We can't let him get away with that. We need a plan, guys.
I wish Liu were here.
Hey, guys, I have good ideas. Hobo is smart, too.
We don't need a plan. Let's just barge on in.
March on in and do what? We can't take any of the DV7s down. Please use your itty brain. Huh?
You got a better idea, then let's hear it.
Hey, ignore them. They'll come up with a plan.
Okay, now. Master of the Cards will work his magic.
Well, I was thinking maybe I should be the Man X for Charming Gold again.
Come on, guys. I can take care of this matter by myself.
Those silly cards are nothing but a joke. Goodbye.
What? Well, then why don't you make yourself useful and read Charming Gold's mind? Huh?
Let's go!
Hi.
Hey, where are you going?
Oh, what's it look like?
What
I'm not going to win, so I'm going home.
You can't quit the team like this.
Ah, whatever. I'm tired of it.
Hey, what's going on?
Yeah?
What's wrong with you guys, huh? This is how you plan? By insulting, fighting, and giving up? No way. Not us. Now, guys, don't ever forget what Running Man is all about. It's about working as a team.
Looks like he's finally come to.
Yes, I finally come to... Clever plan. Thanks. I'm back.
Oh,
What about the amplifier?
You see, sir, that's not an option. The amplifier will take longer.
Did you say you need more time? This is what you said?
No, sir.
Listen to me. Now you do know what happens to people when they become useless to me. Don't you, Doctor?
Yes, sir. I do, sir.
We have to save the missing heroes that were turned into DV7s. Now, it will be tough, but we're all in this together, all right? Because we're their only hope.
And it's the only way we can reveal the truth.
That's our Liu. Great idea.
All right, now let's huddle up and shout, "Go team!"
Go team!
All right.
I need more time. The Soul Tree, it's not safe, sir. Please, Charming Gold, it might overload the system.
You shut up. Get out of the way.
Oh.